Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve 4 power a equal 400 and we have to find the value of a. So this is a Olympiad Mathematics Germany problem. So let's start with today's video solution. So 4 power a equal 400. Now if I'll take log on both sides, log 4 power a equal log 400. Now as per log rule, log a power b, we can write it as b log a. So it becomes a log 4 equal log 400. Now if I divide both sides by log 4, this will cancel out. So a equal log 400 by log 4. Now I am writing this 400 as 4 times 100 by log 4. Now as per log rule, log a times b, we can write it as log a plus log b. So here a equal log 4 plus log 100 by log 4. So a equal log 4 by log 4 plus log 100 by log 4. This will cancel out. So a equal 1 plus log 100 by log 4. A equal 1 plus log 100, we can write it as 4 times 25 by log 4. So a equal, again I'm using the same identity, log a times b as log a plus log b by log 4. So a equal 1 plus log 4 by log 4 plus log 25 by log 4. This will cancel out, gives 1. A equals 1 plus 1 plus log 25 as 5 square by log 4. So a equals 2 plus, this becomes 2 log 5 with base 4. So what is the value of a? If we take 2 as common, so 1 plus log 5 with base 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.